In this video, we are going to solve write a function problem on HackerRank. Now coming to actual problem, in the first two lines they explained about leap year and they gave us three conditions which are used to identify the leap year. The first condition is if the year is evenly divided by 4, then it is a leap year, unless if the year also divided by 100 evenly. And the third condition is if the year is divided by 4 and 100 and also 400, then it is considered as a leap year. For example, the years 2000 and 2400 are considered as a leap year because they can be divided by 400 equally, where 1800, 1900, 2100, 2200, 2300 are not leap years even though they are divided by 4, because they are divided by 100 and cannot be divided by 400 equally. Here our task is to return true if the given year is a leap year, otherwise we have to return false. Coming to sample input, here they gave year as a 1990. 1990 is not divisible by 4 evenly, so it is not a leap year. Hence, we have to return false. Let's quickly see what a function is. It is a block of code where we can write once and can be executed any number of times, so that we can avoid writing the same piece of code again and again. And this is the syntax of the function. First, let's set a variable leap as an false. Later on, we can change it into true when we find out that the given year is a leap year. Here, the first condition is if the year can be evenly divided by 4, it is a leap year. So, here we have to check whether the remainder is 0 or not when we divide the year by 4. So, if year modulo 4 double equal to 0. Now the second condition is if the year was divisible by 4 and it is also divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. So here we have to check whether the year is divisible by 100 or not. If it was not divisible by 100, then we can consider it as a leap year. So now we have to write year modulo 100 not equal to 0. Then leap is equal to true. Now the last condition is even though the number was divisible by 4 and 100, if it is also divisible by 400, then it is considered as a leap year. So now let's write the condition else if. Here the reason we are going to use if else is if the year is divisible by 4 and also divisible by 100, it is not going to satisfy if condition. So we can catch that number by writing if else. Here, year modulo 400 is double equal to 0. Leap true. Now let's test our sample test cases. Yeah, our sample test cases were passed. Now let's submit the code. Yes, all our test cases were passed.